Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be based on this bold makeup look which I've created for an occasion of cocktail which you usually have before your wedding. This is that time where you can actually add a western touch to the whole Indian occasion. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. For this whole makeup look, I've used only NYX products. So here, starting with priming my face, I'm using Honey Dew Me Up. This is like a new thing that they've come up with. It has a very funny consistency, but acts really nice. It's also very nourishing and helps with my dry spots. So applying it all over my face, followed with Born to Glow in shade Gleam, just to have that glow coming through my foundation. So for my foundation, I'm using Total Control Drop Foundation in shade Puff and Golden Honey mixed together because that gives me like the perfect shade for my skin tone, and blending everything out seamlessly. Followed with highlighting and covering my under eye area, as in the dark circles. I'm using Gotcha Covered Concealer in shade Light, and again blending it out. To set my face, I'm using HD Finishing Powder. It's going everywhere where my foundation and concealer tends to crease, so just to stop that. Followed with my brows, I'll be using Precision Brow Pencil in Espresso, filling in my brows a little boldly because I like it that way nowadays. And taming my brow hair using Tinted Brow Mascara in Espresso as well, just so that my brow hair stay in place all night. Moving to my eye makeup, I'll be first applying eyeshadow base in skin tone so that whatever colors that go on top of them, it gives a pop to my eyeshadows, and setting my eyelids using the powder from Face Sculpting palette by NYX, of course. And for my whole face, I'll be using this lip eye face collection called Berlin. They have recently come up with these collections, so I'm using the transition color in my crease and then picking up this brown eyeshadow and applying it on the outer and inner corner of my eyes, just the way you apply when you're going for a halo eye effect. Yeah, for the gleaming halo in the centers of my eyes, I'm first going to apply a concealer to clean out, and then top it with this metallic green eyeshadow from the same palette. Just building onto it and then buffing everything out, leaving no harsh lines. For my inner corner, I'm picking up this shimmery icy eyeshadow and putting it in my tear duct area and my brow bone. Again, picking up the brown eyeshadow and intensifying the outer and inner corner and my lower lash line with it. For mascara, I used Eye Mascara, topped my upper lashes and lower lashes, and then applied some falsies off camera. You can totally skip if you're not comfortable wearing falsies. And then to tightline my eyes, I'm using 2-timer Kohl pencil liner in jet black, also filling in my waterline with it. To sculpt out my face, I'm using Face Sculpting palette in shade Fair. First contouring with the contouring shade on the normal places where I like to contour, which is like my hollows of my cheeks, my jawline, and my nose a bit, and then applying the powder underneath my contour to give it a sharp cut. For my cheeks, I picked up the blush from the same Berlin palette and the highlighter as well, and applying it on the highest points of my face to get that natural looking, not so natural glow. See how this whole palette is so good. Just one thing that you need for the whole makeup look. So convenient and so travel friendly as well. For my lips, I'm going to use the lip shade that is available in the palette Berlin. The lip shade in itself, it's called Berlin. This is their soft matte lip cream. And to finish up the look, I'm spraying some matte finishing setting spray all over my face. And with that, our look is complete. I hope you will like this look. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I'll be doing more such makeup looks in future. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video then. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bringing this back.